how to buy Pi token on MEXC. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. So you also buy this token on MEXC. Click on Markets here. As you can see, you'll be able to find the MEXC, and next to it, you will be able to see this pair. Click on it. So make sure to log into your account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards. And as you can see, go and create an account on it and fund it with some USDT. So after that, what you need to do, click on buy option here and click on the limit. Now here type how much you want to buy over that token, as you can see, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay over that USDT on your account in order to use it to buy this token, and click here on buy Pi. So if you click on the market, you can drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, and after that click here on buy Pi and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Pi token on MEXC. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.